Okay, that was this one I've just seen. That was third aeroplane we've now seen this time. As you can see, that was Piper PA-28-180. That was, and this was Cherokee one we've just seen that time. As you can see, the rate is G-ASEJ. That was. Just have to see where it's come from. Sorry, I know it's a bit bright today anyway, but as you can see here, that was Piper PA-28-180, and the rate is G-ASEJ. So we can see where he's took off from. I'll say by the looks of it, he might have took off at his usual space, Pamport Airfield. Well, it says Pamport Airport in there, but it's not an airport, it's an airfield. So it's took off at Pamport Airfield. Well, obviously whoever's ever got the other two right there. Here's we're going to go this one here as well. The two of the Rotor Sports one there are just actually on the coast, but those two I might see in a minute though. I'm not sure about those two. I'm going to see. Just to see how much height he's flown out for the Piper. You can see here he was flown at 14,000 feet. This is the time it took off. Well, obviously that's not really the time it took off anyway. But anyway, I might be able to go and search those two anyway, which is those two I'm going to see anyway. But anyway, I'm going to search these two now anyway. So that was the Piper PA-28 I've just searched anyway. And obviously the other two are coming anyway. But obviously they're both at 200 feet, but we won't be able to see those two anyway. But anyway, so that was this plane I've just now seen. That was Piper PA-28. That was. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye.